What's up, guys? It's me. I'm back with another vlog, with another vlog. I'm back. So today is a very exciting day because I am on my way to first pick up my friend, and second, I'm gonna get a pet. Okay, it's about to get real deep and personal. Basically, I live alone, and I love living alone most of the time. I love it 9 days out of 10. But sometimes it sucks because my job is kind of hard and emotional. I come home after a bad day or a long day or some kind of day that didn't go very well at work, and I don't have anyone to talk to or hang out with or take my mind off things, and so I'm sad. This is really depressing. Okay, as much as I wish I could get a dog or a cat or something that I could pet and cuddle, I can't because my apartment's not pet friendly. It's not very practical with my lifestyle. I just don't think I could care for that kind of animal as well as it would deserve to be cared for. So I'm gonna go to PetSmart and I'm gonna get a fish or a frog or some kind of easy to care for animal that awkward. I'm gonna go now. So I'm going to get a frog or a fish or something like that that can just kind of chill out and I can talk to it and be its mother basically, and just have like a little friend to keep me company. I picked up GE. Hi! She's coming with me and she's gonna help me pick out a pet, a friend. There's a little tree frog. I'm gonna put the clip in right now. I really liked him, but you have to feed him crickets and I just don't know if I can commit to that. So I came into this hopeful. I'm leaving not as hopeful, but I think I'm still gonna get one.
Like a betta fish?
I think I'm gonna get a betta fish because I had a fish in mind, but it needs a 10-gallon tank. And that's just a lot of tank for me.
A big tank.
Bettas don't need very big tanks. So I think I'm gonna get a betta, which wasn't my top choice because I've had a betta before, but he was a good betta. And they live for a long time. So
Betta, here we go.
Betta, here we go. There he is. There he is. What do you think? Do you like it? He's going in the opposite direction. Maybe try some different one. Do you like that one? What about that one? No, he hates that one. This one? Oh, he's interested. He likes it.
Barely see him.
He loves it. He loves that one. Look at that.
Yes. Yes.
He's made his decision.
Fishy night.
It's the one. It's the one.
Alright.
I know you liked the pink one, but just let's give this one another chance, okay? You like it? He likes it.
Uh-huh.
I think it's a yes.
That's it.
That's the real one. The approved by both of us. He's so beautiful. He's looking. You like that? He likes it. He totally likes it. Here he is. Ready to go home. Me and my new son. Hi, BB. I spent $95 on my son, but it was worth it. Totally. Because he's perfect. And I love him. I love you. Ew, did you see that? He just spat something out. He's still perfect though. I'm gonna set up his tank and I'll show you what it looks like. He's so flexible. We got the tank set up. There it is. So we got home and I took the tank out of the box to set it up, and I looked at it and I was like, this is really small. I got a 1 gallon tank the first time, and he's one fish and he's a small fish, but it was a small tank and I only want the best for my BB boy. I only want the best for him. So we went back and I exchanged it for a 3.5 gallon tank, and it's so much bigger. It was $5 less than the 1 gallon tank, which makes no sense. But he was looking outside of his little cup at the tank, so I think he likes it. I think he wants to be in there. He probably has no idea. When I put him in the tank, I'm gonna do a reveal and a house tour of his tank. A tank tour.
Tank tour.
I'll update you then. Hello everyone, it is at least a week later. I don't really remember the time frame. It's been a long time, but I wanted to give you guys an update. I don't even remember the last thing that I vlogged. I don't know. I'm so sorry. So here he is. Hi, bud. Hey. He is so cute. Hi, honey. Hi. Okay, I haven't fully decided on a name for him yet. I think I'm gonna do either Phineas, and Finn for short, or Tuna. I don't know why, I just think that's a cute name, and I think he could be a tuna. But I'm leaning towards Phineas, because I really wanted, I don't know why, I really wanted to name him like a human name, like a person name. I just think it's cute, like naming animals people names. I like that. I'll give you a little tank tour. So there he is, some like white rocks and black sand, and hey there. Little ruins and this little like bonsai looking tree. I think I'm gonna get one more big plant to go kind of like right in the middle. I read somewhere that betas like to hide in plants, so I think I'm gonna get him like a little like leafy like seaweed looking thingy for him to hide in. Hey, it is Savannah from the future. I just now got home from Walmart where I got the plant that I think I talked about. I found that one back there. I think he was a little bit traumatized by the installation, so he hasn't gone over to it yet. I think he's a little unsure, but I think he's gonna end up really liking it. It's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, that's the update. This is probably all I'm gonna put in the tank, so that's like the finished product. Okay, back to earlier. So he's been in the big tank for a while now, and he is so much happier. I'm busy. He is so much happier than he was in his little bowl that they keep them in at the pet store, and it just makes me so happy. He's so cute. He's so happy. Look at him. He's having the time of his life. He really likes those columns back there. He's just thriving, positively thriving, and it makes me so happy. I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I honestly have pretty much given up on a regular upload schedule, but whenever I have something interesting to make a video about, I'm gonna make one. So if you want to see that, subscribe. Please subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Say bye. Bye.